I was like, I rarely clean my brushes, and I was like, I'm actually disgusting. I belong to you. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. Today, I'm going to try out my new makeup brush cleaner. So, I was thinking about it last week, and I was like, I rarely clean my brushes, and I was like, I'm actually disgusting. So I've got brushes, I've got this, I ordered this from Amazon, I think it was like £14 something. Oh my god, I'm cold. Oh, nosy neighbour. Anyway, so I'm going to open it. Right, so we have some instructions, liquid soap, yep, whatever. Oh my god, the bowl's massive. We have the bowl. Oh my god. It's got like some repetitive feature at the bottom there, can you see? Right, so I'm guessing that goes on top of there somehow. Oh my god, this is so super cute. So this is like a little stand. So this is the device. It's gonna need batteries, isn't it? I'm back. So I've got my projector remote, and I'm just gonna pinch the batteries out of there for a hot minute, because let's face it, not using that at a minute, am I? 1, 2. Calm it. So that's the cute little bag you get. Right, this box is empty. Oh, that was a horrific noise, that was. So I've got 2 spindles here. Right, so you pop that circular end, see it, into... Did you push it on far? Push the spindle into the square hole. Oh dear. Which one? Oh, I'm going to go for this one because it looks really dirty. Right, it's a cute little brush. Right, so it is in the hole, right. Square thing into there. Oh, that went in perfectly. You meant to put this in its little stand. No. I'm screaming. Let's just try it in the bigger one and see if it like spins around. Whoa. That's how it's meant to spin around, but obviously. So to make the solution that goes in the bottle, we need liquid soap, and then I've also got some micellar water cleanser. This one's Aldi's micellar. I love this one. It's literally the same as the Garnier one, but like £4 cheaper. Right, so we're gonna pour some water in. I have made it slightly warm water and I've spilled it everywhere. Great, love that. Water. Soap. Oh dear. Wash all my brushes in this solution first. You can see how fast that's going. Ooh. Right. So I'm going to put them in the water. I'm going to spin it. I'm going to hope it doesn't. I'm going to try. So you need to lift it up, obviously, for it to go. So it's not really doing the job, because look, no. Right, so anyway, I'm going to take the bigger one off, and I'm going to put that smaller back on again and try and shove it back in. Because this is going to be dead awkward if it doesn't fit the bloody... Got a few brushes that size, man. Right, we're back in. Are you ready to go? Let me tilt you back up again now. Oh, hello. Now zoom you back out again. Let's push you back down. Hey. Right, so we're all in it now. No, I absolutely love this. Right, and then you lift it up. Wow! No, apart from the fact I'm covered in water, that was unreal. Right, let's turn it off. Right, so it is quite soapy still, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash all the brushes now. Oh, God's sake, Beth. Wash all the brushes, and then I'm going to swap the water, put clean water in it, and then I'm going to put micellar water in it, and then I'm going to do a final rinse at the end, and then I'm going to air spin them and let them dry. So let's go for this brush. I feel like I need to turn it off, put it in the water. Wow! Is it bad that I really want to put it on my face? Oh, it's nice fun. Wow, it's looking clean already. Right, clean brushes to this side, let's go. Right, so I'm on the biggest brush I have, and it is struggling slightly to keep it moving, especially when you put it in the water. But it does keep going faster. Right, no, why did I have just done that again? So I'm going to show you the colour of this water, and it's actually disgusting. Like, are you ready? It looks like a cup of tea. How gorgeous is that? Right, so I'm gonna go clean this, and then I'll put some micellar water in it. Like, oh sugar, I just broke the lid. Big old bit of micellar. Some of them are really hard to get on, some of them are perfect, so I think it just depends on your like brush brand. So this is like the second clean in the year. Wow. So I'm hoping like now the water's gonna stay quite clear. Can you see how bubbly that is? Hey, see my little friend. Them grooves on the bottom really help you like rub it around. I mean the spinning effect kind of stops when you put it on the bottom. But as soon as you lift it up. Right guys, so I'm done now. My water has still gone a bit dirty, but they are dry, and the majority of them have cleaned up really well. Some of them are a bit wet, so I won't want to do my makeup straight away after I've done them. It does say that you can, but I feel like I'd be sat there for ages just like waiting for my eyeshadow brush to dry, do you know what I mean? So I'm just going to give you my honest opinions here. It's about a bit lengthy for the, you know, cleaning brushes. Personally it is kind of just like wow, this looks cool for me. And it actually was quite cool. Considering I don't have that many brushes, you know, it's not that much of a big deal for me. But for someone that does have a lot of makeup brushes, it's probably going to be more time consuming than literally just going to the sink and just washing them in the sink, do you know what I mean? Or however you normally would. But yeah guys, so you know, it's quite handy to have. Oh, I love that sound. But yeah, so this just goes in here when you're done with it. I'm going to put that little spindle and then why? I just can't stop stroking them. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have, I'm not gonna lie. And I hope you've enjoyed it too. But until next time guys, make sure you stay safe and make sure you catch up on other videos you might have missed. Bye! This time I know it for sure. Just